How to create stories in TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can create stories in TikTok that will disappear after 24 hours. So let's start. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your TikTok app on your mobile phone. Once you open the app, now you want to create a story just like Instagram and Snapchat that will disappear after 24 hours. So in order to do that, what you have to do is you will simply click on this plus icon right here, where we generally create our TikTok. Now, go to this quick option right here. And now I can simply go ahead and create a video or take a photo as well. We also have the upload option right here that will allow me to upload a photo or video from my gallery. Let's take this photo right here. Now, I can simply go ahead and add a text. I can add different stickers. I can add filters and effects as well, just like our simple TikToks. Then we have this option right here that allows us to add sound as well, just like our Snapchat and Instagram stories. I can simply go ahead and select my favorite sound from here and it will be added to my story. Now to post a story, what you have to do is simply click on this option right here, post to story. Once I click on this one, then my story will be uploaded right here on TikTok. If you want to create a simple TikTok, then you can simply continue to the next steps. But you can see right here now, my story has been added to TikTok. And you can see this has the story option right here. And now you can simply go ahead and create cool stories like this with sounds on TikTok that will disappear after 24 hours. If this video was a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.